Hello, welcome to Web3. I'm going to show you how to make sweet tea. Follow me. First step, the sweet tea is usually going to be in this area, right around here. The boxes look like that. What we're going to do, get the bag of sweet tea. You're going to come to this machine. Right here it has a on and off switch, right here, right? We're going to turn it to that side. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take this off, make sure it's clean, throw it in. And right there, we're going to just put it up there. Now the buckets are usually over here, right over here. The fat one is for sweet tea. Goes right there. Press the button. Okay. Now that the tea is made, it's in the fat thing. We're gonna bring it over here. Usually put it on the left side. It doesn't really matter though. I usually put it there. All right. So next step, we're gonna go over here again. This is how we make the tea really good. We're gonna pass that tea bag into this thing. It does squish out like tea juice, so just be careful. I do like that. Boom. Now it's in there. Then we just turn that on, press brew. We're gonna get more tea that way. Drop the extra little tea stuff in there. This one is for the unsweet tea. And then we just repeat the process. Tea bag in the thing. Put it on there. This one's skinnier, so make sure you just turn it to the right. That's why we put that thing to the right. Press start. Boom. Okay, now while this tea is getting made and that tea is getting made, we're gonna go back to this. We're gonna get this box of sugar. We're gonna put it in there. It's gonna look like it's a lot, but it's because it is, okay? But it's okay. We're in Tennessee, everybody loves sweet tea, so. This is my technique. Honestly, there's not that much sugar in this bucket, so we can just probably dump all this in there. Dump it all in. Move it around. Now that that tea is made, dump it in there. You can usually get like 3, sometimes 4 extra like cups of tea, and it comes out really good. Good idea.